Are you looking to earn quick cash? How about making $3 every 30 seconds just by watching video ads? In today's video, I'll unveil an exciting money-making method that requires minimal effort. Are you ready to discover a website where you can earn money by simply watching and clicking on advertisements? Best of all, it's absolutely free to get started. Head over to this website, which offers a range of activities to earn extra cash. However, for maximum earnings in minimum time, I recommend focusing on watching and clicking on ads. This website is transparent about its payments, proudly displaying a total payout of $40,013.80. You can even see the names of recent members who have successfully withdrawn their earnings. When you're ready to cash out, this platform provides multiple payment options like Perfect Money, Payeer, AirTM, and Faucet Pay. So why wait? Start making money effortlessly by watching video ads today. Hello, and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I developed for making money online. Now let me present you with undeniable proof of payments received by countless individuals who have successfully cashed out their earnings. As you can see from the flags next to their usernames, these individuals come from all corners of the world. The total amount paid is prominently displayed, showcasing the lucrative potential of this opportunity. The best part is that anyone, regardless of prior experience, can partake in this venture. In fact, I'll provide you with several examples shortly to demonstrate how you can further boost your earning potential. To get started, simply click on the register button and create your free account. You'll be directed to a page where you'll need to provide your full name, email address, chosen username, and password. Additionally, input your birth year and place of birth, complete the security verification, and agree to the terms of service. Once done, click on register. Upon logging into your account, you'll immediately notice the leaderboard, which highlights the highest earners. Let's take this particular individual as an example. Their username, country of residence, and impressive earnings exceeding $1,500 are proudly displayed. These individuals represent a diverse range of nations, each capable of generating hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. The best part is that you can achieve the same level of success by doing something that you too are capable of. Once you access your account, you'll be presented with a range of ads to click on, with banner ads being the most popular. Clicking on any of these banner ads will redirect you to a random website where you'll need to spend a minimum of 30 seconds. No registration or purchases are required during this process. It's important to note that many people make the mistake of simply staying on the website without further interaction, which won't earn them any money from the ads. To avoid this common error, it's crucial that you actively browse the website. Take the time to explore different sections and scroll up and down. By engaging with the content, you demonstrate that you're a genuine person and not a robot. It's recommended to hold your position for 5 to 10 seconds before moving again. This movement pattern assures the platform that you're a real user, allowing them to credit money to your account once the 30-second duration is completed. Once you've completed one banner ad, you can easily click on another. 8oclicks.net, the website we're discussing, offers a wide variety of banner ads for you to click on and start earning money. Before we proceed, I'd appreciate it if you took a moment to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far. If you found this video informative and engaging, please leave a comment below. Another way to generate income from this website is by watching daily promotion, standard micro, and exchange ads. These clickable ads can be viewed for approximately 10 seconds, and you'll be paid accordingly. Many individuals utilize this method to increase their earnings. For example, if you click on an advertisement, you'll be directed to a random website. To confirm that you're not a robot, all you need to do is spend at least 10 seconds there while scrolling around. Once the 10 seconds are up, you'll earn money. You can repeat this process as many times as you like. Now here's an exclusive tip that hasn't been mentioned before. Make sure you watch at least 5 daily ads By doing so, you can multiply your income by tenfold. Once you've completed those 5 daily ads, you'll unlock more standard ads that pay 10 times as much. The waiting time for each ad may vary, typically ranging from 10 to 30 seconds. Remember, the longer you wait, the more money you'll earn. If watching ads becomes monotonous, you have the option to earn money by watching long-form content, such as the YouTube videos you enjoy binge watching at night. To start earning money, simply click on the Earn Money button at the top of the page and select Lootably Daily Offers. This will redirect you to a page where you can view all the available offers. These offers include surveys, one-click apps, videos, purchases, and quizzes. For today, our focus will be on watching videos, as it's the easiest task and something many of us enjoy. Click on the Videos category to proceed. You'll land on a page where you can choose from different video categories, such as food, DIY, and random videos. Select the category that interests you. Let's say you choose food. You'll be directed to a website that resembles YouTube, but with one major difference. This website pays you just for watching videos. To continue, sign up for a free account by providing your email address, creating a password, and clicking on Sign Up. Once you've created your Lootably account, you'll arrive at a page where you can watch all the videos in the food category. This website allows you to watch as many videos as you want. For example, if you click on a video, you'll be taken to another page where you need to watch the video for at least 60 seconds in order to earn money. Here's a bonus tip to maximize your earnings. Open multiple tabs and watch videos simultaneously. By doing so, you can watch a large number of videos while multitasking, ultimately earning more money in less time and effort. Additionally, you can click on all the videos listed on the right-hand side to watch even more. Another helpful tip is to lower the video quality by adjusting the video settings. Choose the lowest video quality available to save data. This way, you can watch as many 60-second videos as possible while earning the maximum amount of money. These bonus tips are highly effective and can be implemented immediately to significantly increase your daily earnings on this website. Now let me share an exclusive tip that no one else is discussing. This tip has the potential to make you hundreds of dollars in this website. If you check the leaderboard, you'll notice the top earners and the total earnings. Approximately 80% of these earnings come from referral commissions. By simply referring others to this website, you can join the ranks of the top earners on the leaderboard and achieve similar results. To accomplish this, I recommend visiting warriorforum.com, a platform where people discuss various aspects of making money online. You can join this platform for free and engage in numerous activities. Many individuals visit the website in search of free information, generating a significant amount of free traffic. For example, if you search for, "How can I make money online?" you'll find numerous people asking the same question on this platform. As you can see, people are seeking advice and looking for ways to earn money. You'll also notice that other users are posting responses to these inquiries. You can contribute by providing your own response to a particular post. This is where you can include your 806 referral code. By consistently doing this, you'll gain a considerable number of referrals on warriorforum.com. Your aim is to direct targeted individuals who are actively searching for ways to make money online to the 806.net website. They will appreciate discovering a platform where they can earn money online for free. Simply share your referral code with them. It's a win-win situation. They learn how to make money, and you earn referral commissions. Referrals are indeed one of the most effective methods of earning money in 806, in addition to watching advertisements. If there is one drawback, it's that the earnings may not be substantial enough. However, don't worry, I have a solution for you. To increase your income even further, I recommend watching this video right here. Learn how you can make even more money simply by watching YouTube videos. Click on the video to discover the secrets to boosting your earnings. Don't miss out on this opportunity to maximize your side income.